Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide videos from users on TikTok. So first, for example, this is the video that I have been seeing all the time, and it's been bothering me because like I keep on seeing the same thing again and again. So I can just tap the video and then tap and hold long enough until this show up, and then tap on I'm not interested, and then now you select a reason why you're not interested. So for example, I keep seeing this, tap there, and then now TikTok won't show you those kind of videos anymore. So I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.